Hello, I'm Scott. I'm a product manager with Amphenol Mezzanine Products Group, and today we're demonstrating Amphenol's CAM2 connector with 2.85 millimeter stack height. And this CAM2 connector uses Amphenol's patented cLGA contact technology, which has been in the field for over 20 years. One of the advantages of the 2.85 millimeter stack height is it uses Amphenol's integrated shield technology between signal pins for increased isolation. So you can see on the demo with the network analyzer, the magenta trace is an unshielded signal pin. It has approximately 30 dB of isolation. The cyan trace is a shielded signal pin, which has 60 dB of isolation between the signal pins. So that shows the integrated shield offers a 30 dB performance improvement from unshielded to shielded pins, signal pins. So this technology will be used in future Amphenol products as well. Please visit our website for more details.